Interesting facts about koalas. Koala is a native animal of the Australian continent. These animals are very similar to small bears. Even the first Europeans who landed on the continent called the animal koala bear. But after some time, koalas were isolated in a separate family. Now research on these animals is ongoing, and according to the results of various studies, many amazing facts about koalas have been revealed. Koala and human fingerprints cannot always be distinguished even with an electron microscope. Koalas have one of the smallest brain volumes, only 0.2% of the total body weight. The cry of a male koala during the mating season is heard at a distance of 1 kilometer. In the wild, koalas live an average of 12 to 13 years, and in a net they can live up to 18 to 20 years. The only thing koalas eat is eucalyptus leaves. Koalas eat only 120 species of eucalyptus trees out of 800 growing in Australia. The metabolism in the body of a koala is 2 times slower than that of any other mammal. Koalas only drink water during the dry season or when they are sick. They get the rest of the moisture from succulent eucalyptus leaves and dew. Pregnancy in female koalas lasts 30 to 35 days, then the baby moves into the bag, where he lives for another 6 months. The weight of an adult koala is 5 to 16 kilograms. The growth of a koala reaches 60 to 82 centimeters. Koala sleeps 18 hours a day. Koalas are the only species in their koala family. With the help of a developed sense of smell, koalas distinguish more poisonous species of eucalyptus from edible ones. Koalas live on only one continent, Australia. Most of the day, from 16 to 18 hours, koalas spend on trees, and descend to the ground only to move to another tree. During the mating season, males gather harems. In one such harem there can be from 2 to 5 females. Babies 7.5 to 8 months old begin to feed on the mother's liquid excrement, so the cubs get all the necessary bacteria to digest food. Recently, the number of koalas has increased and has reached 20 individuals per hectare of eucalyptus forest. Koalas are very susceptible to various diseases. They often suffer from cystitis, conjunctivitis, sinusitis, otitis of the skull. The Latin name of the koala species is translated as ashy. Koalas are related to wombats, but they have thicker fur, larger ears, and longer limbs. On the paws of koalas there are long sharp claws, thanks to which animals can walk on tree trunks. Tenacious fingers, which have a special structure, allow koalas not only to climb trees, but also to sleep, clinging to the nearest branch or trunk. If necessary, a koala can hang for quite a long time even on one paw, like a sloth. The penis of male koalas is forked, while females have 2 vaginas and the same number of uterus. Frightened or injured koalas scream like little children. Koalas are motionless for most of the day. Even if they do not sleep, they sit still for up to 18 hours a day. And they absolutely do not have enough time for games and entertainment. The whole day is spent on rest and sleep, which lasts 20 hours a day. But, by the way, despite their slowness and awkward appearance, koalas quickly jump from one tree to another. And they swim well when they have to escape from danger, or just to freshen up. Male koalas do not like to meet other males at all. They try in every possible way to scare the opponent, apparently, as in this photo, and often fight for their eucalyptus possessions. And for some koalas, such militant behavior is very surprising. In hot weather, koalas hug the trees they live on more often and more strongly, and prefer to spend time on the lower part of the trunk. Having spread as much as possible along the eucalyptus trunk, koalas are saved from overheating, since the surface temperature of the tree is always several degrees lower than the air temperature. In winter, on the contrary, koalas prefer to be on the tops of trees, where there are more leaves.